Hi, everybody. This is Nancy. I just wanted to say it took me a long time to get to this point because I wasn't sure how to apply the Screen-O-Matic capability to giving this, to recording this. But I think I've got it now. Thanks to all of you. I watched your post. This is all about collaboration, and I learned from you. So thank you for that. Okay. Students can go directly in the editor and they can add things to forums this way. So they can go directly in the editor, but it won't record it unless they type a subject. So you can say, for example, how to record, whoops, I'm a terrible typist, how to record directly with editor, editor. Okay. Um, I already wrote something with the text version in here. This works like any kind of a word processor. And this menu up here gives you different options that you can use, and you can expand it by clicking on this arrow here. Um, you can use this recording to record audio, or you can use this one. This works even longer. I think this option down here is with Poodle, a little extra stuff there. This has the normal word processing options here. You can add hyperlinks here. You can break the hyperlinks here. You can, I think, import a Word file. You can import photos or documents. Here, you can even add video. Um, I never use this stuff, but I suppose that's to do math or something. Anyway, okay, and then you can even add emojis. I believe you can add tables here. I have to still play around with this stuff. So you can just, I'm going to try it right now real quick. I think it'll overlap with this recording, but if you click on this microphone, then you can record yourself. And I will click start recording. And I'm recording myself right now, but it might be doubled right now. Okay, stop recording, and then you can attach recording. You wait till it says 100% completed, and then you'll see the recording in here. And you have to figure out how to uh, move that around with your text. I have to play around with that too, but anyway, it's on there. And to listen to it, other people can just click on the arrow. That's how you use it basically. You can also drag files down here and add them. I still have things I have to learn here. The biggest thing I learned today was how to use Screencast to actually record this. And this stuff, once I learned that, I think this stuff I can learn over time. It doesn't look that difficult. So I hope that helps you also figure out how to do this. Okay.